Hello friends, this video on Graphs Part 6 is brought to you by examfear.com. No more fear from exam. Now let's move on to the next type of graph, that is line graph. So what is a line graph? It is a graph that shows data that changes continuously over periods of time. So that's the most important thing about a line graph. So we need this graph to show the change over a period of time. How are the values changing with time? So if you look at this example here, this shows the temperature of a particular city. How is the temperature changing with time, with different times of the day? Like during the morning, the temperature is quite low, even lesser than 10 degrees. At around 10 o'clock, the temperature is around 20. At around 2 o'clock in the afternoon, the temperature is like the maximum. Then again by evening, the temperature drops. By night, the temperature further drops. So looking at this graph itself, you can understand that how the temperature is changing. So the temperature is first increasing from morning to afternoon, and then again from afternoon till night, it drops. So looking at the line graph, you can say that the temperature is maximum during the afternoon and the temperature is minimum during the morning. Now let us learn how to draw a line graph. The number of days a hillside city received snow in different years is given as follows. In 2003, 8 days, 2004, 10 days, 2005, 5 days, and 2006, 12 days. So we have to draw a line graph for this data. So first of all, we consider the years along the x-axis and the number of days receiving snow on the y-axis. Perfect. So if you look at the number of days, your minimum value is 5 and the maximum value is 12. So your values would lie between 5 and 12. So you have considered, you have divided your y-axis in this fashion. So by now all of you know that how do we choose a scale. So choosing a scale largely depends on the minimum and the maximum value that you want to represent on that particular axis. So in this case, your minimum value is 5, maximum is 12. So it is enough if you represent values till 16 here. That's fine. Now for 2003, 8 days of rain, 8 days of snowfall. 2004, 10 days. 2005, 5 days, and 2006, 12 days. Now when you join, first you plot these points and then you join the two adjacent points like this, like first 2 points, second, third point, third, fourth point, and then you finally get a line graph. So now if you look at the line graph, it tells you how the number of days receiving snow is changing with times, like with years, how the number of days receiving snow is changing. Now that we have learned about so many different types of graphs, we spoke about bar graph, line graph, pie chart. Now let's try to represent the same set of data using all of these three graphs on the same slide. So the same favorite fruit data on a bar graph would look somewhat like this, where you have rectangular bars for each fruit and the height of the bar tells you the number of people liking that fruit. The same data when represented by a pie chart, you have a circle and inside that circle you have different slices, and the size of each slice tells you that how many people like that particular fruit. Right? For example, here the slice for apple is maximum in size and the slice for banana is the smallest in size. When it comes to line graph, here you represent each data or each number by a point and then you join the points. So this actually tells you that the most liked fruit is apple, and gradually the liking is reducing as we move on from apple to mango to grapes to banana, and finally the liking is the least for banana. So these are the different graphs representation for the same data. Thank you. Please visit examfear.com for free quality education. You can learn with a simple 4-step learning process wherein you can watch video lessons, you can ask your questions, you can refer notes, and you can take a free online test. We have content for class 6 to 12 on physics, chemistry, mathematics, and biology along with practical videos. So please subscribe to our channel for daily updates. Thank you.